Hi everyone, I'm back with another exclusive video. Today we're taking back a closer look at what we can do with artificial intelligence. Specifically, we'll see how we can create incredibly and cool animations out of starting from our 2D drawings using Vizcom and klingai, and also kreaai if you want to unleash your creativity and the witness on the power of AI, and you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Okay, the first steps animation to with Vizcom. In this section, I will show you how I previously prepared 2D drawing to life from Vizcom to give it a movement, animations. I will give animations especially for animations using Vizcom and then klingai. Now let's get into the details and the process. Okay, now we're entering. Let's get started. We're entering the Vizcom. Here we lay the foundation for animation. This as you can see, I'm examining my model from different angles to get the best result. At the same time, I'm also editing some more details of the model. Detail editing on the model processor here. I'm particularly focusing on the mirror part and different details of the model, making these as possible realistic and eye-catching to increase the quality of animation. After the adjustment to model complete, I tried the different animation movements during this process, so that I have the reactor to try to achieve the best results. Now I'll show you what I'm commenting to give Vizcom for an animation. Here's the prompt I use. Like create a smooth, accurate, and realistic camera animation for me. The animation should show red reflective, so slicky glossy surface spot from the different angles, especially the rear angles, for example. Here's animation Vizcom created. As you can see, the more attention you pay to details and the prompt, the better the results will be. And the section 2, enhancing animation power with klingai. That's a cool klingai to image to video. Now we're bringing another artificial intelligence tool into play, klingai. This is the game changer. Klingai will be open new doors for us to video creation, CGI animation on cinematic, realistic, smooth camera animations. It's really cool app. Introduction, I'm klingai in the account creation section here. To use klingai, we will first need to create an account. In this process, we'll use a temporary email address. I'll be using mail ticking. With a service like mail ticking, we quickly create a temporary email address. We'll use this address to register with klingai and get a confirmation code process. After registering with klingai, it usually asks for confirmation code. To get this code, we go back to mail ticking and check our inbox. We activated all accounts by entering the confirmation code in the designated place in klingai. Okay, now we can use the klingai video creation features. Klingai from the animation creation to the best fit will ask klingai to create animation by giving a similar prompt here. The prompt for use: create a smooth and realistic cam animation. Yeah, I'm switching kreaai while animation is progress. While klingai is making the animation, I thought I'd introduce you to kreaai, an AI insanely intense as the visual we produced. It's a super cool tool. Yeah, this is superb. Using kreaai, we increase the resolution and enhancing your model images and reach their details and make them more striking. This will significantly increase the visual impact on animation. And here's an animation klingai made as you can see, when bring different artificial intelligence tools together, much more amazing result can emerge. In this video we saw step by step how to create amazing animation from 2D drawings using Vizcom and klingai. I hope this tutorial has given you new ideas on showing you the potential of artificial intelligence in the field of creativity. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, give a thumbs up and share my videos. See you in the next video. Take care.
Sometimes a disaster, sometimes it's free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't want another, I just wanna breathe. You take me higher, you stay close to me.